What is up guys, this is the Twixter. So today we'll have a unboxing and review of this ZYG-800 keyboard. So this keyboard is a membrane keyboard with illuminated LED backlight. So umiilaw po tong keyboard na to. It is a membrane keyboard but it has a mechanical feel or tactility na keyboard. So it is a gaming keyboard. So today we will unbox it and review if it is worth the price or not. So this keyboard is roughly costed about $25. So let's get started guys. So as you can see on the front of the keyboard is the ZYG-800 name, a LED backlight keyboard. So yun yung design niya. So it has a floating keys designed for gaming, great durability compared to standard keyboard switches. So it is compatible with Windows Vista, XP, 2000 and later on PC. Pwede rin siya sa Macintosh. So at the back side of this keyboard, so you can see it is a braided keyboard. Same din yung laman niya. So it is made in China. So may note siya, specification and design subject to possible modification, notice due to improvement. So ayan siya. RGB color lighting siya. So bubuksan na natin guys. So, pag open nyo ng keyboard, so makikita nyo yung plastic. Made of plastic. Made of plastic siya. Tapos ito na yung keyboard. So, it is braided. So, wala nang other laman yung keyboard. Yung box, I mean. So, wala na siyang manual or warranty card. So, purely keyboard lang siya. So, ito yung keyboard. Ito yung tsura ng keyboard. So, yun siya flat. It has metallic backplate. So, wala na siyang kickstand on the back. You can see, wala. Pero may rubber stop siya. So, maganda siya. Mabigat. Pretty decent yung kanyang build. So made of plastic but still solid yung kanyang pagkagawa. So ganito yung sa gilid niya. So simple lang yung layout niya, walang any logo or something na na branding. So simple lang yung layout. Tapos it has a braided cable. So, yan. So, maybe 1.5 inches yung height. Yung length. So, yun. So, yun. Makita nyo itong keyboard. So, maganda yung kanyang layout. The keys were really good. Ito na yung kanya parang mechanical feel na features. So, maganda rin yung font. So, matte siya. Matte black. So, itatry natin yung kanyang lightning features. So, I'll plug it on my computer and then we'll see if maganda yung kanyang lighting or yung kanyang keyboard mismo. So, ito na yung kanyang itsura pag nakasaksak sa USB port or ano, pag sinaksak nyo na sa computer. So, RGB lighting siya. Diba? You can see here. Hindi lang siya nagpo-focus, man. So, ayan. So, maganda siya. Maganda yung kanyang, laser carved keys siya. So, pag gabi, makikita mo rin yung kanyang letters na umiilaw. Tapos, maganda yung, yung layout ng keyboard. Simple lang siya. Ayan. So, other features of this keyboard is you can turn off or on the LED backlight. So, by pressing this dedicated key for turning off or on the keyboard. So, you can also adjust its light by pressing function and function down for minimizing the lights, or pressing function plus page up for maximizing its lights. So, yan. Wala siyang other animations or light effects. So, purely RGB lang siya. So, hindi na natin siya mapapalitan ng color. So, just ma-adjust lang yung kanyang strength. And then, what I like about this keyboard also, it has a functional Windows lock key. So, ano bang function itong Windows lock key? Para saan ba to? Kasi, usually ginagamit talaga tong Windows key, di ba? Pag nagko-computer kayo, bakit siya kailangan i-lock? For gamers, it is necessarily to lock this Windows button kasi minsan pag naglalaro tayo or pag naglalaro yung mga gamers, gumagamit sila ng control or alt key depende sa function na ginagawa. And then, suddenly, hindi natin nababantayan ba napipindot yung Windows key. So, ang tendency pag napindot ng Windows key is lumalabas yung Windows Start na function. So, pag na ganun, pag na-press to at lumabas nun, usually nagsiskip yung or nag-a-alt-tab yung computer nyo. So, nasiskip yung game. Paano kung nasa kalagitnaan ka ng matinding game fight or So, medyo disturbing siya. So, ginagawa ng iba, lalo na sa mga internet shops or cafe, inaalis ng Windows key. So, it has function. So, paano gagamitin yung lock function ng Windows key? Just by pressing function plus Windows key, so malalock mo na siya. Hindi na yan gagana. So, as you see on my laptop, so hindi na siya gagana. Pero pag press mo yung function plus Windows key, pag press mo yan siya, so ayun. So, yun yung function nung So, ayun, maganda siya, guys. Tapos, it has a anti-ghosting features na kahit pagsabayin mo tong tatlong keys na nare-register siya na computer. So, hindi lang siya tig-iisang keys. 5 ata o 5. Kaya niyang i-register sa isang click. So, you can see here. Diba? Sabay mong ipipress. Pero sabay rin siya magre-register. That is a anti-ghosting features. So yun, natapos na yung ating quite or little unboxing and review in this keyboard. Speed typing test yung ating keyboard para marinig natin yung kanyang clicky sound, yung kanyang reaction speed while typing. So if comfortable ba siya gamitin. So ito na guys. So, my final verdict on the keyboard for its price, sulit na sulit siya kasi marami na siyang features na di mo makikita from a normal keyboard. So, isa-isahin natin. So, first, yung kanyang build na maganda yung quality. So, hindi mo masabi na mumurahin siya kasi mabigat, tapos maganda yung pagka-build ng plastic niya, tapos metal pa yung kanyang plate. Tapos sa weight naman, mabigat talaga siya. So, hindi siya basta-bastang nauurong or yung namumove na unlike sa sa mga chip or yung normal keyboard na minsan magaan. Tapos, isang features din na nagandaan ko is siyempre yung backlighting yung backlighting lights niya na helpful pag gabi or medyo mahina yung lights. So you can work on at night. So hindi ka na mangangapa sa dilim or hindi mo na kailangan ng lamp or lights kasi makita nyo na. And then the third one is yung kanyang anti-ghosting na mabilis yung response. Makukuha niya, mapipick up kaagad yung mga tinatype mo na letters or words. So yun. And then the last one is syempre yung kanyang mechanical feel. So if you're really into yung parang gusto mong maingay na keyboard, clicky, yung parang gusto mo responsive siya, marinig mo siya. So the best yun siya. The best yung kanyang keys for typing. Kasi maririnig talaga, maingay siya. So, for its price range na $25 or depende sa store dito, although available siya dito sa Philippines. So, okay na siya. Mas maganda na siya kasi sulit na yung parang naka-mechanical, mechanical keyboard ka na. Tapos, the last one na nagustuhan ko, syempre, yung kanyang braided cable. Na syempre hindi siya basta-bastang ma-wear out or maganda yung niya. Tapos yung yung Windows lock features. Yan. So overall, sulit na sulit yung keyboard na yon for budget gamers or nagsa-start pa lang. So hindi mo afford yung mechanical keyboard katulad ko na hindi afford. So kung may mag-sponsor lang, thank you. So yun. Yun lang guys, sulit na siya. So if you want to check out the item, so i-post ko yung link sa description para kung gusto nyong bumili. So ayun na-unbox at review na natin yung budget keyboard na ZYG-800. So, I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung video. So, if you like this video, kindly hit like. If gusto nyo naman i-follow ang aking future videos or will support me, kindly hit subscribe and the notification bell on the side of the subscribe button para ma-aware kayo or ma-notify kayo kung may bagong videos na lalabas. And if you want some questions or clarifications and suggestions, so kindly post on the comment section. So, thank you for watching, guys. So, hope nagustuhan nyo yung aking review ng keyboard na to. So, I will have some tests on playing games while using this keyboard. So, salamat, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm the Twickster. Bye-bye. Later magkakaroon ako ng idea on building sabi natin community like other YouTubers na ginagawa na yun, naisipan ko na magkaroon ng isang call or tawag sa mga subscriber or sa page ko, yung mga nag-like ng page. So I am thinking to use Twix or Twix, diba? Kasi from the name itself na Twickster. So yun, maybe Twix, di ba? Parang katok. Twix. So yun, so maybe on the later video, gagamitin ko na siya na term. So although quite awkward for me because I'm not really into that thing. So gusto ko lang kasi mag-create ng videos na to share knowledge or parang ma-practice din yung aking yung aking yung ganito, yung parang vlogging skills, something. Or at least, yun, nakita ko yung progress. So, naka-reach na ng 1,000 likes yung aking Facebook page. So, dito sa YouTube naman, maliit pa yung subscriber, but still, hoping. So, patience lang. So, yan guys. So, salamat sa panunod ulit. So, I'm the Twickster. Bye-bye.